Pearl Bouquet is a beautiful luxury card kit from our friends at Hunkydory. Now we're going to get in close to show you the projects that are included because they're really soft colors, but they are quite lovely. So you do get the idea sheet, and then on the back of it there are instructions for making a floating bouquet card. Now we'll show you how to do that in the webisode, but right now I just want to get inside and show you every single piece that's in this kit. So we have that these are printed with, instead of foil, there is a pearl, so you can see it as I wiggle it. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. And also you've got greetings like these, and just gorgeous. So all of it, instead of the foiling, you have that pearl look. So that's why it's called a pearl bouquet, as you can see. There's going to be 4 of these sheets. Actually, there's 4 designs. You get 2 of everything. Everything I'm showing you, you're going to get 2 of. So you've got the greetings, as you would expect, and that beautiful artwork and the reflection of the foiling. So as you can see now, there's also a pad of papers using these that's also available from Hunkydory, and we did bring those in for you. So, and then we go into the peach colors, really pretty. There are altogether 168 die cuts. Now, these are a little different than what I just showed you. They don't have a frame around them, and these are to be part to create that floating card look. So you can see how these are going to just pop right out. Again, you're going to get 2 of everything. Then you're getting these, and these you're going to get 4 of. And these are to make the floating card. So it's actually your card base that's just die cut for you, and then you're going to put it together according to the directions. So you can see that we've got artwork, beautiful artwork, just so pretty, and this color. Now here is the rest of the die cuts that are going to go to make your floating cards. So I'm really sorry I don't have one right here to show you, but watch the webisode, you'll see it. Okay, and again, you're going to have 2 of these. Then, I'm not done yet, you're going to have the cardstock that also has the artwork and the pearl foiling finish to it. So, I'll show you these. Very beautiful. And then you have all of this to use too. We really like to cut this out and maybe use this on the front of your card, maybe use this inside, or vice versa, whatever you like. Then there are sheets like this that Hunkydory calls inserts. They like to put these inside their cards. So they're going to be, again, it's really a ghosted back of the artwork, and you're going to get 2 of every design I'm showing you. So you can see these. It's a little hard to show the ghosted back things, but they're beautiful in person. And you do get, these are all the A4 size, so right around 8 1/8 by 11 3/4. You can see both top and bottom, and then on the side, and right there, and one more. So you can see it's a beautiful collection, very robust. In addition, for making those special cards, there are 4 sheets of acetate in here and 4 envelopes to fit that special size. So you're going to have a ton of beautiful things to play with. All of this from Hunkydory, all called the Pearl Bouquet. And this is that paper pad that I mentioned that has the artwork in it also. Both of them are available, limited supply.